These are difficult times for everyone, but they can be especially challenging in the immigrant communities due to language access. Gabriela Ramirez-Arellano, business counselor for the Hispanic Chamber of Commerce, gives us some insight on the challenges many are facing, as well as information and resources designed to help during the COVID-19 pandemic.
I believe that language access has been a gap for a long time, but it's definitely more visible right now because, especially initially when the stay-at-home orders were issued, there was no information in any other languages. There are organizations like International Institute that was putting out information right away in other languages, but not necessarily an effort on a state or local level to do that. So another community member and I, Lourdes Bailon, put together STL Juntos, which is a resource page on Facebook as well as a website. And we brought together several different organizations that are helping us with it, including St. Louis Mutual Aid, International Institute, AAA Translations, Latinos en Acción, Red Latina, Diario Digital, to really provide not just education as far as health precautions, but also just general information about staying at home, about social distancing, about basic needs where people can access food, where people can access resources, as well for small businesses. We've been trying to provide that information. Some of the things that we're doing as far as how we're helping people stay healthy, specifically in the Hispanic community, has been sharing information, interviewing Spanish-speaking doctors from Washington University and sharing those informational videos and interviews so that people can access them about social distancing, about precautions, about washing their hands, about why it's important to wear masks, how to properly wear masks. So all these things are new. This is not something people have experienced before, and so we want to make sure that the information is out there in Spanish. This is not just a humanitarian problem, but it's also an economic problem for the region, as it's impacting businesses, and businesses don't know what's going on or what resources are available. So we're trying to make sure that we provide that information to them. I definitely think it's important for the community to come together, to work together and collaborate to help each other, especially during these difficult times. One way is volunteering. There are a number of volunteer opportunities available virtually, especially if you speak another language, whether it's translation, interpretation, answering a hotline. I know United Way also has some virtual opportunities, so helping people is not difficult. Even just sharing information, resharing on any social media platform. You want to make sure that it's the right information, that it's been checked and double checked. And so that's something that we're really conscious of doing on the STL Juntos page to ensure that the community has reliable information. In the last couple of days that the government has released information about payments and unemployment, we're trying to make sure that we're sharing information there as well so that people have the latest information that is true and accurate.
You can access the wealth of information STL Juntos has available by following them on Facebook or visiting stljuntos.com. You can also follow the Hispanic Chamber of Commerce for up-to-date information on Facebook and Twitter or at hccstl.com.